Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have numbers. Start now by selecting the cells or column to format. Once selected, make sure values are truly numeric. Remove stray spaces, commas, or text that block formatting. If Excel misreads decimals, check regional settings so periods or commas match your data. This prevents $1,000 becoming $1,000. Now keep the range selected and move to the Format tools. This primes Excel to apply currency consistently across every chosen cell. With the cells selected, go to Home and pick Currency or choose Accounting for column alignment. Pick the dollar symbol or another currency symbol from the list. Once done, click Format Cells to set decimal places and negative number display so totals and subtotals read clearly. Make sure to use Ctrl+1 to open format cells fast when you need precise control. If you need consistent alignment, Accounting aligns symbols in a neat column, which improves readability for reports. Finish by verifying calculations. Formatted cells still hold numeric values so SUM, average, and other formulas work. If you see unexpected decimals, apply round to formulas or use value to convert text to numbers. Once done, scan totals and cross-check a few cells to confirm currency displays and math match. If something goes wrong, run isNumber on a suspect cell and use text to columns to strip hidden characters. That single check often fixes misformatted inputs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.